Hi, my name is Stephanie Radel. I'm Senior Manager of our hot and cold water category for Uponor here at the Uponor booth in Columbus, Ohio at ASPE 2024. Today we're featuring ServicePEX. This product we just launched on October 7th of 2024, just a couple weeks ago, and it's Uponor ServicePEX, 1/2 inch through 2 inch. It is completely rated for everything that you need for your water service distribution to your residential applications. So again, this is coming in 1/2 inch through 2 inch. It is on the print string. It's rated to PEX 5306, indicating that it has a 6-month UV rating on the product. With Uponor's quality services, we've went ahead and identified that with our testing and a 0.63 design factor, it actually meets a 12-month UV rating. So you will see a marketing claim of a 12-month UV rating on our ServicePEX Blue offering. So it also has pressure temperature ratings up to 200 PSI as well. Another differentiating factor that you will see differences between our AquaPEX versus our ServicePEX offering.